Greetings boys and girls, and welcome to another episode about Scapy. Today we are going to talk how to create package, how to actually create that piece of data that is going to be sent over the network. You could approach in two ways. You could build package with default data or some part of package with default data, or you could build completely customized package. So let me show you how to do it. Name of the package is going to be A. Ether class with default settings. IP class with default settings. Everything separated with /. TCP with default settings. And load. Hey. Now we are going to build custom objects. Ether is going to remain with its default settings. IP with destination address 4 times 200 and TCP destination port 8000. Now if you want to build a package with name B, you are going to use these custom build objects. Ether / IP TCP with load. Hey. Now I'm going to show you how these objects look like. Object A and object B. So that's all for now.